This Diwali season is a time to be compassionate, a time to think of others, many of whom have gone through a very tough year, a year like no other. In today's Get Real India story, I want to turn to the rural parts of Karnataka, where with school shuts and no midday meals, children in large parts of rural Karnataka are being forced to work in menial jobs to feed their families and themselves. I want to play this story as a reminder to all of you that this is a period where we need to be generous to those less fortunate. This is a season of compassion. Nolan Pinto now reports.
In better times, not so long ago, these children would have been in school. In a space of 8 months, their world has turned around. From classrooms, these children in Dharwad district of Karnataka have been cruelly transported into working in fields or at the markets of their neighborhood. The coronavirus pandemic has hit poor families in the region in more ways than one. Since schools are closed, the midday meal is no longer available, and with too many mouths to feed and money scarce, the kids have been put to work.
घर में खाने को कोरोना की वजह से खाने को कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए हम दुकान लगा के रात के खा रहे। स्कूल बंद है ना, इसलिए राब रहे हमारे।
Parents of these children would have rather seen them among books in a school classroom, but circumstances have made them helpless.
ये बच्चों को लॉकडाउन की वजह से स्कूल में बंद हो गए, तो हमको भी काम नहीं है, इसकी वजह से हम लोग भी थोड़ा बहुत कमाई करते थे, वो भी नहीं हमको, तो गवर्नमेंट से हमको कुछ फ़ायदा भी नहीं, और क्या करना चाहिए इसका कोई जॉब भी नहीं अपने पास, हम क्या कर सकते नहीं, इसके लिए हम हमारे बच्चों को कामों को भेज रहे हैं.
As people struggle for survival in rural Karnataka, the opposition holds Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa responsible.
The past statement of Mr. Yedurappa ji, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, had promised us that he will be giving the poor society the compensation or some relief fund has to be released by the Karnataka government. The promise was made by the Chief Minister of Karnataka, but we have not seen any promises here.
The sorry plight of Dharwad's children is only now being noticed by the administration.
So we have found only a few instances where the children were actually selling vegetables or clothes. So in those cases actually we have created awareness, and actually they were supported by their parents only. Any such instances come, we will create awareness, and we'll also try to give alternate employment opportunities or even loans for the parents so that their economic status improves.
Schools are shut, the popular midday meal program has been stopped, and poor students are clearly suffering. Now, can't the government provide just one nutritious meal a day so that all these students don't have to do menial jobs just to fill their stomachs? Surely it won't be a burden to the state's exchequer. With video journalist Shivmurthy Gurumat, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.